Hi everyone, I'm Lorianne Hayes. I'm from Irvine, California, via Louisiana bound, and Gano Excel has truly changed my life. I had suffered a stroke, basic paralysis on the right side of my body, and I was on 33 pills a day, 11 pills 3 times a day. Thanks to Gano and taking and making changes in my life, I drink the coffee regularly. I no longer have paralysis in the right side of my body or muscle spasms. I have lost 75 pounds and still losing, and I'm just really excited about the product. But the best benefit is I feel great. I no longer take any blood pressure medication. My blood pressure average was 242 over 141. My blood pressure today averages between 150 over 88 and 140 over 75 on a regular basis with absolutely no medication, thanks to Gano Excel. So if I can tell you anything, be part of the team, be part of the movement, be part of Boss I Quit, and join Gano Excel. You cannot lose. Well, you can lose some weight, but you'll definitely be a winner on this team and a winner in life. Bless you all, and take charge of your life. Make a choice to make a change. See the vision and share the opportunity. Thank you.